Hello friends. If I tell you can change the sky from your image, will you believe well it's true? Let's check out how can we do that. First of all, go to select and then select the sky. It will select sky area. You can adjust the settings here if you want. If you want to change it completely, go to edit sky replacement. Now, when the sky options appear, you will see different types of skies. Select any of them. For example, I'm choosing the one covered with clouds. Press OK. As soon as you come back, you can see that the sky area has been changed. Finally, press Ctrl+D to deselect and return to the image.